Sciatica is a classic condition of lopsidedness. What is the spiritual meaning of sciatica and imbalance? Let's understand. Sciatica is a very common condition where the sciatic nerve, which lives at the back of the pelvis, is compressed, causing pain to radiate from the lower back, down the leg and in the calf. It's painful, it's annoying, and it can make certain normal positions like sitting or standing impossible. If not impossible, very difficult. There are many treatments available, however, including hip opening stretches, as the piriformis muscle is sometimes to blame for the nerve compression, and the strengthening to rebalance the structures in the hip and the pelvis. We understand all this from a physical perspective. But what about the spiritual meaning of sciatica? Sciatica and imbalances in the body are due to, as I always say, the root is somewhere within us. The root is somewhere in our paradigms, right? So, sciatica is a classic condition of lopsidedness. It rarely occurs on both the sides of the body. It's either on the left or the right. On some level, the pelvis, which is in many ways the center of gravity and the center of steadiness and movement in the body, is out of balance. One side is too tight while the other side is being pulled open. What might this imbalance be relating to in your body? Try asking yourself the following questions. Guys, I'd like you to watch this video again and write down the questions that I'm just going to ask you now, and write down the answers. Introspect and write down the answers to these questions, right? And see what could be the spiritual meaning of sciatica and see what arises for you, right? Everyone has their own journey. It might be something different for me. It might be something different from you. For you, once you answer these questions, you'll get that clarity. So ask yourself, what in my life feels out of balance right now? Am I happy with the direction I'm going? Or does part of me want to turn away, to move in another direction? Do I feel that I have freedom of movement in my life? Freedom to speak, to change my mind, to do as I wish. I'll repeat. What in my life feels out of balance right now? Am I happy with the direction I'm going? Or does part of me want to turn away, to move in another direction? Do I feel that I have freedom of movement in my life? Freedom to speak, to change my mind, to do as I wish? Now let's understand the spiritual meaning of the right and the left side of sciatica. Some people have it on the right side, some people have it on the left side. Whether the sciatic shows up on the right or the left of the body may mean different things. Why? Because we have a masculine energy and we have feminine energy, and both our sides represent both these energies. The left is feminine, the right is masculine. The side where there is pain is tightened, compressed and constricted. So wherever you have pain, so if at the left side your feminine energy, right your masculine energy. That means the other side is being pulled open, right? Sometimes the energy is unbalanced and the too open side, but in general, you'll want to look at the side where you're feeling the pain. So it is the side which is constricted. Yeah, the right side of the body is the masculine half, relating to yang energy. We have the yin and the yang. Yeah, so the yang energy. This is the energy of taking action, getting things done, thinking rationally, and emotions like anger and frustration. There may also be a message here about a male or masculine person in our lives, such as a husband, a boyfriend, father or son. Now again, I'm going to question you a few questions. I would like you to listen carefully, write the answers and see what happens for you if you are the person who has sciatica pain in the right side, right? So ask yourself, what is my relationship to my anger like right now? I repeat, What is my relationship to my anger like right now? The next one is, am I getting the things done, or is my process feeling frustrated? I repeat, am I getting the things done, or is my process feeling frustrated? The next one is, how do I relate to the masculine aspects of myself? How do I relate to the masculine aspects of myself? The next one, what is happening with the close people in my life who are male or masculine? What is happening in context with your relationship with the men, right? What is happening with the close people in my life who are male or masculine? Ask yourself these questions, not in your mind. Write down. Take a pen and paper, not your tabs, not your laptops. Write it down, okay? Now let's talk about the left half of the body that represents the more feminine or the yin aspects of things. This relates to our intuition, our emotional, relational selves, our bodies, and emotions like sadness and grief. Here we may also want to check in with how we are relating to close female or feminine people in our lives, such as our mothers, girlfriends, wives, or daughters, right? The next set of questions is for the people who have pain in the left side of their body. They have sciatica pain in the left side of the body, okay? So ask yourself, how am I relating to grief or sadness in my life right now? I repeat, how am I relating to grief or sadness in my life right now? The next one is, am I feeling connected and safe in my close relationships? Am I feeling connected and safe in my close relationships? The next one is, how connected do I feel to my own intuition, emotion, or spirituality? How connected do I feel to my own intuition, emotion, or spirituality? The next one is, what am I feeling around the more feminine aspects of myself? What am I feeling around the more feminine aspects of myself? Right? The next one is, what is happening in my life with the female or feminine people I am close to? What is happening in my life with the female or the feminine people I am close to? Guys, all these questions are going to be there in the caption as well. You're most welcome to work on these questions, introspect, answer, and then if you're a part of Solutions community on our WhatsApp groups, you're most welcome to ask me questions, connect with me, and ask questions and settle down your queries. This is Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, your life coach and energy medicine physician, your metaphysician. Looking forward to gift you so much more in terms of these videos, and up until next is going to be yet another video about yet another ache, pain, or illness or disease in terms of the series that we are doing. And in the meanwhile, you must remember that you got you and you're so very good enough, and I love you just the way you are. This is Dr. Ramandeep Kaur signing off. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.